You know that in the modeling world, depending on the type of model, there is a specific diet for each one. There are different types of model for each type of accessory: hands, feet, calves, hair, full body, among others. Since nutrition can improve the appearance of the skin, anatomical aesthetics, give by your face or high shine, among other details. And even with all these models have a very personalized diet, there are some always aligned by some details. Today's video we will tell you these nutritional secrets that each of these types of model has, and when you apply this knowledge you will be able to have a similar results. Stay till the end. Fashion models. For this type of models, the physical complexion of a model is taken into account, whether it is in endomorph, mesomorph or ectomorph. In any case, since they are fashion models and they are going to be covered by all kinds of clothes, they are the ones with the most flexible diet. However, each of them has to maintain the figure for which they are chosen to model. In addition, if it is about plus size models, there is not a specific diet. The diets usually for this model are based on cereals and whole wheat bread, which will provide with carbohydrates necessary for them. Fruit and juice for vitamins. Tea and coffee are allowed too. For proteins we have yogurt, egg whites, turkey or chicken breasts. Made always in the pan with little oil. Pistachios, bar or almonds for a snack. And also very light diner. In this diet system, it is important to remember not to abuse the salt. In catwalk times, days before, carbonated and sugar drinks should be left aside. Note that this type of diet do not abuse heavy carbohydrates such as pasta or bread, unless it's a whole wheat. Lingerie and underwear models. These models are epitome of the modeling world, as they expose almost the entire bodies. They follow not only a diet but also a very rigorous and strict habit, such as certain types of exercise, drink, hours of sleep, and special foods. However, it is important to remember that within this category we can find both slender and athletic models, so the diet might vary slightly in that sense. The main characteristics of diets of these models are based on fruits and vegetables, to despite what we may believe, it is also rich in protein. The diet consists of 5 meals to keep the metabolism active. As the type of model with these most controlled diets, we can see in detail the meals of their daily routines. For the breakfast, fruit, dairy products, cereal and eggs. You have to get a lot of energy to withstand the hectic activity for the day. For lunch, we have green salad with protein from chicken or fish, and for dessert a piece of fruit. We have also snacks. They are carried out during in the middle of each meal, usually consist of nuts or cereal bar. For dinner we have steamed vegetables, portion of rice, turkey or fish, or dessert a piece of fruit. Also in this diet is with no salt. All meals are cooked without salt, using olive oil, lemon and herbs to flavor the food. But for little caprice, even during a treat like this, there is a room for some indulgence. You can eat a dark chocolate or ice cream twice a week. Now, however, carbohydrates such as bread and pasta are limited, leaving only an opening for rice in small quantities. For the days of session of the paras, there is a rule. The diet is modified days before with the aim to every feed ingest was related to the muscles, and that is not stored body fat or there is a fluid retention. To do this, the days before the diet, those vegetables that are difficult to digest such as cauliflower or broccoli are removed from the diet. Salt, eggs and fruit such as banana are also eliminated. Parts models. Even though parts model only show a partial body area such as hands, feet, calves or ears, they must maintain a certain type of diet, or try to avoid certain foods and habits frequently, as this modifies the state of the skin. Among the food characteristics we have rich in healthy fats such as coconut and olive oil, olives and avocado. and seeds such as almonds, walnuts, and peanuts, especially since they contain a composition to keep dermatitis or acne at bay, and also give the skin shine. Fruits and vegetables. This is because they provide the iron, omega-3, fat acids, and vitamin A, B to keep the skin hydrated and healthy, including tomatoes, spinach, and lettuce, among others. In terms of proteins, fish is the one that helps the most to strengthen the collagen and elastic structure in the skin, while the fats maintain hydration. Also white and red meats, nuts, and gelatins as a snack. For this type of model, we also have to drink plenty of water, habits, and avoid alcohol regularly and smoking, which damage the appearance of the skin. What do you think of this video? Do you know any other secrets that models keep in their diets? Let us know in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell. See you in another video.